It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be making a full wig for a client. I picked this hair up from my local beauty supply store. This is what the pack looks like. It is in the color 4. It has this little closure piece and an 18, 20, and 22 inch bundle. So we're going to be doing that. I'm going to be putting it on the unit starting with the 18 because she doesn't want it that long. I'm going to be using my 24 size canvas blockhead and one of my large wig cap, my size large wig caps. Oh my goodness. So first things first, I'm going to put my label on the inside. I have already did some lines using the method from my last sewing video. So the first thing that I'm going to do, which is something that you guys have not seen me do yet, is apply this closure. So I'm going to apply the closure first just to make sure that it's positioned where I want it to be, so I can kind of, get that hair out of the way. So I'm going to put it here and I'm going to pin it down in that part, and then I'm going to sew both sides of it on the sewing machine. So first I hand stitched around the closure just to kind of get it on there, and then I went around it with the sewing machine. So after I sewed around the closure, I just removed that area under the closure. Now it's time to sew the bundles on, and I'm starting with the 18 inch. To double the tracks, I'm going to go in with a open toe presser foot. I picked up this set from Amazon or AliExpress. I've had it for a while, but it fits my standard brother sewing machine. So I picked up that kit, and it has tons of presser feet. So I'm going to use this one to double the tracks.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.